Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network, and I had done 2 reviews for the Ajmal perfume from UAE, Dubai perfume, Arabic perfume, which is my favorite. Previously, there's a shop in Pavilion, Kuala Lumpur, but now they closed already. So I get this from actually my friend get this for me from Singapore in Mustafa Center, and this is my favorite, my all-time favorite perfume. It's called Wisal. Wisal. Okay, so let's look at the box. This is front, and then on the side, nothing. Behind. Okay, you see it? Okay, all right, and then on the side, nothing. Below, what's this? Batch number expired 2027. If you can read, if you can see. Then on top is the logo. Let's look at the perfume. By the way, 3 Ajmal perfume that I got. This is the most expensive. Actually, there's more expensive. There's a lot of varieties from Ajmal, expensive perfume also. But this one is the most from 3 among 3 that I had. This is the box, the bottle. Okay, it's $35.9 Singapore, around 110 ringgit like that. But in Shopee, people in Malaysia are selling for 199 ringgit. I will put a link below. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So this is a bottle. Okay. It looks like metal, but of course it's not metal. It's plastic. So behind. Okay. And then what's this? I think below. Can you see? Okay. And on top. So okay. So open it. Spray. I'll give the review later on, but so before that, let's look into the details of the perfume in the website. So so here's some of the pictures. Okay, you see that? Top note. Okay. Okay, then the details. Okay, description, and then the details. Okay, 50 ml, not 100, but it's worth to buy actually. And then that's it. So there's another version of gold, but I never had this gold before, and only this silver. Okay, what I can say is, if you are alim ulama or Islamic person like warak one, and then if you use this, you will like it feels like high class Islamic person, like ulama like that. Habib Majlis Habib like that. It feels like that. That's how I feel. So I like it so much, and then my friend also, a lot of people asking this thing. Thank you very much for watching.